Your home is likely your biggest asset. It makes sense to protect it. As costs keep going up, so does the amount of insurance coverage it takes to replace your home in the event of a disaster. First News reporter Abigail Cloutier shares what to consider.
With the rising cost of labor and supplies, you might be underinsured if something happens to your home. Boardman insurance agent Rocco Nolfi tells me the cost of repairing and building homes in the last year has risen.
Really, this past year, just with our losses, that used to be, even on minor losses, if there was roof damage or water damage, a loss that used to cost $5,000 or $6,000, now we're seeing is anywhere, $10,000 to $15,000. It's been a big jump.
He says some insurance companies automatically increase the replacement cost coverage amount to help keep up with inflation, which also increases the insurance rate for the homeowner. But he's seen a huge jump in what's needed for adequate coverage. He says if anyone is concerned that they don't have enough coverage, to reach out to their agent.
Have that discussion, make sure, there may have been some improvements that the homeowner did, that there's no way of us knowing unless you let us know. But it's important that we do so we can make sure that we get that coverage to where it needs to be.
He says homeowners aren't the only ones who are affected. If you rent a house or apartment, you might want to increase your renter's policy to cover the rising costs of replacing your belongings.
That's something too, you could just call your agent and make sure that they increase that replacement cost coverage for the personal property to make sure we're keeping up with the inflation on your property as well.
Nolfi says he doesn't see the cost of these insurance policies coming down anytime soon because of the continued bump in inflation. In Boardman, Abigail Cloutier, WKBN 27 First News.